In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an automated list in Google Sheets on desktop. First, open Google Sheets in your desktop browser. You can use a brand new sheet or an existing one. The process is the same. Working on desktop gives you the full interface and makes it easier to see how your list expands automatically as you add more data. Next, enter your source data in one column. Keep everything you want to list in a single continuous column, such as column A. If you like having a header, you can keep one at the top, or you can start directly with your values. It's okay if there are blank cells mixed in. What we're about to do will ignore those. Just make sure the values are consistent, like all names, all product IDs, or all dates, so your list stays clean and clear. Now, click the cell where you want the automated list to appear. Choose an empty cell in a different column from your source data. For example, if your values are in column A, pick a cell in column B or C. It's important that the destination cell is not inside the source column, because the list will spill down into multiple rows and needs room to expand. In that destination cell, type the formula exactly like this. Filter AA. Replace AA with the column that holds your source data if it's different. The first part, AA, tells Google Sheets where to pull data from. The second part, AA, means only include cells that are not empty. If you're using a header in row 1 and don't want it included, you can start from row 2, like A2A, so the header stays out of the results. Press Enter to generate the list automatically. You'll see the results spill down from the cell you selected, filling in every non-empty value from your source column. The best part is that this list is dynamic. Add a new entry to your source column, remove one, or fix a typo, and the list updates instantly without any extra work. If you run into an error, check 2 common causes. A hashed RF error usually means the spill range is blocked by existing data. Move the formula to a clear area. A hashed NA error can mean there's nothing to show, so make sure there's at least one non-empty value in your source column. For very large sheets, consider referencing a specific range, like A2, A1 2000, to keep performance snappy. And that's it. You've created an automated, always up-to-date list in Google Sheets with a single formula.